You guys okay? What the?
Back in March. Looking back at it all, she knows she did this to herself, that she's responsible. But Bachman also thinks the casinos knew what she was doing better than she did, that they sat back and watched it happen. That's why she sued. Because of the terms of the settlement, Bachman and Caesar...
Let's go! AM 790 and FM 104.3 HD2 The Ticket. Broadcasting live from the Anajar and Levine Accident Attorney Studio. 1-800-747-FREE. That's 1-800-747-3733.
Looking for great music for your tailgate or barbecue? Go to the Odyssey app and download stations built for sports fans. Search for Black Voices and Inspiration, a tribute to the incredible Black artists. At BetMGM. Sign up today using bonus code DailyTip and get in the game with the king of sportsbooks. Tap into BetMGM's innovative parlay selection builders, live betting options, boosted odds.
When I bust, all I touch is joy. Niggas with me, don't bust, now I know the joy. 6-1 dreams, what I'm living, got me chasing more. Kids in the house, keep the burner in the top drawer. Niggas know my story.
January. This is Manuel Oliver, and a video made to launch.
Just fool. Hey! Just fool.
Look at that guy.
What happened?
I don't know, but I got it on video. I have no idea why that guy was speeding so fast.
To get back to the line of scrimmage and reach for one. Jesse Bates, the safety, made the tackle. Maurice, it feels like I'm calling a lot of linebackers and safeties at or behind the line of scrimmage. I mean, they're trying to stop the run. They want to put guys up there.
Damn.
If you're the Bengals,
Mm-hmm.